RDK-03004 is a diagnostic code from Comcast's Xfinity, indicating an issue with your set-top box's activation, signal, or coaxial cable connection. It means your box can't connect to Comcast's network. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to resolve it. Most commonly reported in urban areas with dense cable infrastructure, users cite issues during peak hours, such as 7 to 10 p.m. Loose or damaged coaxial cables are often the main reason for Xfinity Error Code RDK-03004. These cables carry the signal from your wall outlet to your Xfinity box. First, make sure the coaxial cable is securely tightened. Check both ends, from the wall outlet to your Xfinity box, and ensure the connections are finger-tight but not over-tightened. Next, inspect the coaxial cable for any visible damage. Look for cuts, kinks, or frayed insulation that could interrupt the signal flow. If possible, try using a different coaxial cable that you know works. This helps determine if the cable itself is faulty. Finally, check that your signal strength meets Comcast's standards. The signal strength should be above 9 to 15 dBm for optimal performance. You can use a signal meter or the Xfinity app to verify this. Proper coaxial cable connections are essential for maintaining stable Xfinity service and avoiding RDK-03004 errors. Unplug your Xfinity set-top box and your modem or router, if applicable, from the power outlet. Wait for 60 seconds to ensure the device is fully powered down. Then plug the modem or router back in first. Once the modem or router is fully online, plug the Xfinity box back in. This restarts the connection process and often resolves temporary glitches. To verify your Xfinity account status, use the Xfinity app or website to check if your account is active and free of billing issues. A deactivated account can cause the RDK-03004 error. Remember, your set-top box must be paired with your Xfinity account, and if the activation server is unresponsive, it can trigger this error. If the error persists, check for signal interference. This can be caused by nearby electronics or new wireless deployments like 6G. Coaxial cables carry the signal. Loose connections, damaged cables, or interference can cause the error. Consider replacing older cable splitters, especially if you have multiple devices connected. Signal strength must be above 9 to 15 dBm for optimal performance per Comcast standards. Interference from nearby electronics or wireless deployments can degrade the signal. Consider replacing older cable splitters, especially if you have multiple devices connected to the same coax outlet. Ensure all connections are secure and cables are undamaged. Always inspect cables for damage and ensure secure connections. If issues persist, contact Xfinity support. The Xfinity app includes AI-driven diagnostic tools designed to identify RDK-03004 triggers in real time. Use the app to run automated scans that detect signal issues, activation problems, or connection errors. Follow the guided fixes provided by the app, which have a success rate of about 78% for resolving these issues. This approach can often fix the problem without requiring a technician visit. Xfinity is integrating more cloud-based services. The Xfinity Stream app allows viewing on devices without a set-top box, bypassing physical connection issues. Consider this as a short-term alternative or long-term solution if you can view all of your wanted content on it. By 2026, reports from industry analysts show a 25% drop in standalone cable box usage as subscribers opt for Xfinity Stream app-based viewing. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the RDK-03004 error continues, it's time to contact Xfinity support. A technician visit may be necessary to diagnose and fix more complex issues with your signal or equipment. Comcast's customer support data show that RDK-03004 accounts for 12% of all reported issues, with 65% resolved through self-service tools.